Up till now we covered various features of NumPy library, and those who can access and those who see my all video of NumPy library, I will personally congratulate them to taking a one step towards learning a new technology, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning. From next video, we are going to start a new library, that is Pandas. Basically, Pandas library is used to read and extract the dataset. The dataset are in various forms, that is comma separated value, HTML format, in Excel format. The Pandas library is a very useful library to get insight from all kind of dataset. So stay tuned on my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you one and all.